where is showcasing background culture. And this time, you will witness the types of the indigenous dances of Mindanao.
the natural world and be amazed with the works of nature. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Let us now witness the parade of the animal ambassadors.
Kataon ng mga kami sa pupitan nila. Ano bukit?
A round of applause for the parade of the animal ambassadors. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Ayun, hi. One more grabe, hello. Ayun, mabuhay. Ug manayaw po. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Boy, and I'm your host for this afternoon. There's some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005, and we are in coordination with the DNR, DOT, and BAI. Now, as a way of saying thank you for being with us on this crocodilific afternoon, we proudly show you will be our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. So una, sa mga nakatayo po, upo lang po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to capture our animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry, can you finish it up or finish it later after the show? And lastly, for those who take photos or videos of your animals, bawal po ang camera. Okay. Joke lang guys, pwede po ang camera. However, kindly disable lang po sa flash. Okay? Because our animals here are like sensitive. So, double check lang po natin ang ating mga cameras. Okay. Now, the reason why we call them animal ambassadors is because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message that is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and do not destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission in conserving them. By the way, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At mukhang ready na po sila sa likod, folks. Now, the question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes, lasan yung energy nyo kanina po. So, one more, pero more energy. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Ayan, gusto kong energy sa inyo folks. Now guys, let's meet our two raptors. Una, will giving you his welcoming flight. Now may I call on ang cute na si Junel, our Brahmini kite. At ayan na siya folks. And there you go. Now, once again folks, that is Junel, our Brahmini kite. or also known as the manok. Now, Brahminic kinds are the birds of prey or raptor. Raptor came from Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, Kuya Cyril natin is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. The raptors guys practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. So namumuha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Okay, palapakan po natin si Junel guys. Alright, now imimita natin ang ating second raptor. Ating ang tatawagin, si Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. At ayan na siya, folks. And there you go once again, folks. That is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with the scientific name of Haliatus locogaster. Loco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan kalapad ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sila kas folks. Alright now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahminicae, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the grass owl. And that's all for our raptors, folks. Palakpakan din natin sila. At syempre, palakpakan din natin ating mga pogi trainers na sina Kuya Jimar at Kuya Cyril. Ayan, uwi na sila. Alright, now, let's proceed now to our next animal ambassador. Galing pa po ito ng Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now may I call on Barack. That is Barack, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Gucci. Na Kuya Gucci, may pag-greetings din sa ating mga kiddos. Alright, now mga ates, mga kiddos, mga ates, mga kuyas, lapitan natin si Kuya Gucci. Okay, bibigyan kayo ng seats in short. Bibigyan natin si Barack. Okay, don't you worry. Don't be scared. Just open your hand lang. Alright? Ayan go, Kuya. Alright, open your hand. Okay, bigyan ng pagkain si Barack. Alright. And there you go. Thank you. About si Kuya. Gusto rin mag-try ni Kuya. Alright. And we should be good na daw. Okay. Later na lang mga kiddos, ha? Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kiddos. Okay, once again folks, that is Barack, our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. Oh, so magkasing talino lang ni Barack ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Just like most parrots guys, si Barack ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Pakikita yan ni Barack using a Filipino footwear called Kadang-kadang. Alright, now Barack, wait lang natin folks. Okay, now Barack, sumot. And backline, and that is zygodactyl feet. That word guys, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, allowing them to grab items. So marching it boy, left, right, and baba, good boy. Barack, okay, at dahil daw dyan boy, may high five ka to Kuya Gucci. Now, high five to Kuya Gucci. High five. Perfect. At syempre, hindi lang yan guys. Napaka-sweet ito ni Barack, folks. Alright daw, Barack. Kiss to Kuya Gucci daw, be. O, bigyan ng kiss si Kuya Gucci. O, kiss. Kiss. Mwah. One more pa na Kuya Gucci. One more. Sa kabilang kiss. One more. Mwah. Alright. At syempre, hindi rin magpapahuli yung host, no? Kiss din ako Kuya Gucci. Hello? Okay, joke lang folks. Okay, sa hindi lang yan. Si Barack ay isang eco-warrior din who here segregates their trash. Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate ng kanilang mga basura? Anyone? Nagsesegregate? Hala, walang nagsesegregate? Naku, ngayong hapon, tuturuan tayo ni Barack paano mag-segregate ng kanyang basura. So anong nandyan Kuya Gucci? Siyempre ang ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable bin or nabubulok. Alright, and also we have a non-biodegradable bin. Ano sa ang hindi nabubulok po? Alright, now, Check mo muna, Barak, kung gumagana ba ang ating basuran. Perfect. At mukhang ready na si Barak, Kuya Gucci. Now, Kuya Gucci at the count of 3. Labak ang basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, nung unang kukunin ni Barak, folks, a piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy! Na naman pangalawang kukunin ni Barak, and this time, a piece of plastic naman, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. May dala pang basura, boy. And this time, a piece of leaf, dahon, which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. At one piece of trash lang, boy. Another piece of leaf, dahon. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Palagpakan ko natin si Barak, folks. And as you can see, guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre, kaya din natin, folks, no? Alright, now, folks, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po si Barak, guys. Okay, ng mga mom and sir, mga atas, mga kuyas, wave bye-bye to Barak na mo, wave bye-bye. Alright, let's go na wave bye-bye. Alright, now, Barak, wave bye-bye to everybody na nag-bye-bye na sila sa'yo. Barak, wave bye-bye.
Okay.
Barak, wave bye-bye na. Hala. Barak, wave bye-bye sa wave bye-bye na daw. Hala. One more pala, Kuya Gucci. One more wave bye-bye na boy. Alo, Kuya Gucci. Okay, sige, wag na lang natin pilitin, Kuya Gucci. Okay, ibig sabihin yan, guys, gusto pa ni Barak mag-stay sa show. Siyempre, i-highlight natin yung ibang kasamahan niya, folks. Okay, once again, folks, this is Barak, our blue and gold knockoff with Kuya Gucci. Palakpakan po natin silang dalawa. Ayan, thank you so much to the both of you. Alright, now, folks, blue and gold macaw are the fourth largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Alright, now let's proceed now to our next animal ambassador. They call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. The Kalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now come here, boy, at kaya na sa folks. And there you go. At syempre, ano kanyang younger brother, na si JJ. Pero wait lang, guys. Lalabas din yan si JJ. Ayan na. And there you go. Once again, folks, this is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and densis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, the bills are ang kanilang mga tuka. It comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilik mata, guys. Legit na legit yan, folks, ha? Hindi sila nagpa-extension. Okay na ngayong hapon. Magpapakitang-kila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow me. Okay? Now at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and one more energy. 1, 2, 3, and ayan, ready ng ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Cyril, Kuya Jimar. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now, folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and fly! What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, you can see a hornbill doing that in the wild. You are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na ang gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na na-catch ni lalaking kalaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga po, subutin mo sa ating mga kalaw, my forever, no? No, sa mga single ladies out there, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, so alam na natin, nandito lang ang hindi, mga trainers. Joke lang, folks. Once again, guys, magpapakitang kilas pa ulit ang ating mga kalaw. Now, folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. Once again, at the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating kalaw po. So, siyempre si Kuya Cyril, pero Kuya Jimar at JJ, dito lang muna tayo mga kuyas. May gagawin pa tayo, ha? Okay now folks, after mating season, is breeding season na. In the span of 40 days, hindi lalabas si babaeng kalaw inside her nest. So paano nga ba siya kakain? Siyempre, trabaho yan ng isang lalaking kalaw. So ngayong hapon po, pipili po tayo ng one adult female guest po. Siya ang magpapakain kay JJ. Okay, now, sino gusto? One adult female guest. Sino gusto? Ay, sige na, agoy. Yung gusto lang, adult female. Adult. Okay, sino? Si ma'am, naka-pink? Okay, dito tayo magka-dear. Alright, dito na po tayo. Palapakan po natin si ma'am, folks. Alright, ayan na. Okay, wait lang natin si ma'am. Okay, now ma'am, dito po tayo sa center. Alright, now ma'am, harap tayo sa ating mga guests. Interviewin muna natin si ma'am Kuya Jimar. Ma'am, what is your name and where are you from po?
Irene po, Leyte.
Ma'am Irene from Leyte. Okay, now ma'am, gagawin mo ngayon, ikaw ang magpapakain kay JJ ma'am, ha? Alright, now, what you gonna do? Kuha ka ng grape kay Kuya Jimar. Ayan, nandiyan, may grape po si Jimar, si Kuya Jimar natin. Alright, ma'am, kuha ka ng isang grape. Okay, ma'am, put in between your teeth po. Okay, ayan, in short, magkikiss kayo ni JJ. Alright. Okay, wait lang. Okay, ma'am, are you ready? Okay, kung natatakot ka, okay, pwede kang pumikit, ha? Alright, now, ma'am, kamay sa likod po. And then, ma'am, ready ka na ba? Ready? Okay, now, JJ, get the grape. And there you go, palapakan po natin si ma'am. Pero ma'am, isa pa daw sabi ni JJ. Okay, nabitin pa daw si JJ. Dalawa po kasi yan. Alright, so ganun po ka-sweet ang mga kalaw, ma'am. Nagbibigayan, eh. Okay, no. One more pa daw, okay, one more. Okay, now, dito ka, Kuya Jimar, o dyan ka lang? Sige, dyan ka lang. Okay, ma'am, once again, yung grape, put it between your teeth. And this time, si Kuya Jimar ang kukuha ng grape. Ay, joke lang po, joke lang. Okay, joke lang, binili ko lang ito mo. Okay, now, alright, now, JJ, are you ready? Mom, are you ready? Now, JJ, get the grape. Alright, let's go. And there you go. Palapakan po natin si ma'am. Guys, now, ma'am, you can take back your seat na po. Palapakan po natin. Thank you so much po. At syempre, palapakan din natin si Kuya Jimar and si JJ. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Okay now, folks. Fun fact pala about hornbills, unlike most birds who hop from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Okay, now let's proceed on to our next animal ambassador. People to guys just like that call. So may I call on Apollo. And that is Apollo, our umbrella crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now folks, did you know Apollo is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hand. Okay, once again, who wants to see Apollo dance? Sino gusto makita si Apollo? Anyone? Look at how big fun si Apollo, Kuya Cyril. Okay, how about, ito na Ben. How about Kuya Cyril? Who wants to see Kuya Cyril dance? Raise your hand. Alam ka Kuya Cyril, kayo dalawa niya po. Oh, may makati sa ulo Kuya Cyril. Okay, sila Kuya na. Okay, sila ang may gusto. Okay, now Kuya Cyril, Apollo. Are you ready? Now, Mama Ars. Hit it. And that is the moonwalk fit famous by Michael Jackson. So, Atras Kid Boy, pakita mo sa kanila kung gano'ng gagaling mag-hulog. Pero tama na, Apollo, baka mahulog ka sa table, boy. Alright, now on this time, let's see his acting skill. Magaling tong umarte sa Apollo, guys. Magaling tong artista. Alright, now, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? May agila po, may predator. Ano gagawin? Ayan na siya, folks. Patay, good boy. Apollo, that is their natural reaction po. They're doing that in the wild to fool their predators. So magpatay-patayan sila, folks. Okay, one more pa daw. Okay. Hala, Apollo yung agila dyan ng sa itaas. Anong gagawin? Ayan na naman siya, folks. Grabe ka talaga, Apollo. Napaka-dramatic mo talaga, boy. Palapakan po natin si Apollo, guys. Pero hindi pa tayo dyan nagtatapos. Apollo, Kuya Cyril lang, Kuya Cyril. Pwede ko bang interview si Apollo? Okay, dito tayo sa center. Alright, ng Apollo, sumagot ka ng maayos, Apollo, ha? Okay, now, Apollo. Look at Kuya Cyril. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Cyril mo, Apollo? Pogi ba si Kuya Cyril? Wow! So, all Pugi. Okay. Ako na, okay na. Ito daw, folks. Okay na. Apollo, how about me, boy? Look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako? Di pa nga ako tapos sa Apollo. Ikaw talaga. Yung tatawanan tuloy tayo ng ating mga bisita. Siyempre guys, agree talaga si Apollo kasi si Kuya Simon ang kanyang personal trainer. Okay. Siyempre, habang dito tayo sa ating mga guests. Okay, habang ito si Sir na naka-white. Okay, t-shirt, naka-white t-shirt. Now, Apollo, look at Sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir? Alright, perfect. Okay, sana all. How about sa babae? Okay. Ito daw si Ma'am na naka-white. Oh, ayan, nasa harap natin. Apollo, look at Ma'am, look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Ma'am Apollo? Maganda? Ay, sana all. Pero ba't ganun ko yung Sahel? Ba't ako lang yung naiba? Ano nangyari dyan? Kayo talaga. Okay, one more time na lang daw. Please, boy, Apollo, sige na pag-iwan ka. Look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apo? Ayun na, patapusin guys. Sige folks, huwag na lang natin pilitin si Apollo. Palakpakan na lang po natin si Apollo folks. Na Kuya Siren. Yun na kayo Kuya Siren, kayo talaga. Kulit yung talagang dalawa. Okay, never mind na lang folks. Let's proceed na lang sa ating next animal ambassador, kapatid ko ni Apollo. Now may I call on Jumbo. Alright, now once again folks, Jumbo, and there you go. Once again guys, that is Jumbo, our honor umbrella crested cockatoo. Now guys, did you know the reason of global warming is due to air pollution coming from our transportation? And this afternoon, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints using a ding 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 bicycle. Now Jumbo, sakay and body up. So Padyaki boy, pang first placer, pang Ironman, sikat yun and para lang, good boy, Jumbo. Now to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about po because we also have a scooter. Alright, kung kaya mag-bike, kaya din mag-scooter guys sa Jumbo. Padyak, madandahan, minoret, para lang, good boy, Jumbo. You see guys, even our animals have to help from Mother Nature. We can also help by doing reuse, recycle, and repurpose in some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. Siyempre, ang personal trainer na si Kuya Jimar. Okay, by the way guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of cockatoos po. 1 is the Zulburg crested cockatoo. 2 is the umbrella crested cockatoo, which are si Apollo, si Jumbo. 3 is the black palm cockatoos po. And 4 is the Mulukan cockatoos po. Now let's proceed na sa ating next animal ambassador. 3-in-1 po ito. But before that, I have a question. Okay, first question. What animals have 9 lives? Cats. Pusa, iring, tama, galing. Okay, second question. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is duck, what kind of animal is Winnie? Anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Wala, sabi daw ni Sir Poo, ikaw talaga Sir. Hindi po Sir. Okay, ano yun guys? Bear. Oh, grabe si Sir Poo. Okay, once again, bear. Last question. What kind of animal ang kamukha ng katabi nyo ngayon? Hala, ayun, rinig ko yung Sir. Ano yun, Sir? Okay, folks, joke lang guys, ha? But you're correct guys. Ang ating next animal ambassador, he has a face like a cat, the body like a bear, and very impressive tail like a monkey. Now, direct your attention to your left side. That is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat. Alright, once again folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat, with the scientific name of Arctictis pinturung, locally known as pinturung guys. Now folks, did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb, meaning it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasigaling lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan ang kanilang tail. Same sa mga monkey. At ipapakita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon po. Now, Teddy, are you ready to down boy? Alright, wait lang natin folks. Just a second, and there you go. And there you go. That is prehensile tail in action po. They're doing that in a while to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy, guys. Alright now, folks. May direct your attention. To your right na naman, that is the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno.
Ano naman tadi
Guys, natin to si Uno, folks. So, medyo mahihain kasi ito, guys. Medyo may pagka-shy type. No, so, once again, intindihin lang po natin siya, folks. So, once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior, okay? At kung ayaw talaga ni Uno, mag-follow kay Kuya Cyril. Si Kuya Cyril na lang ating paakyatin sa kahoy, folks. Pero kita tayo tayo ngayong hapon. Ay, joke lang, guys. Alright, now, folks, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of is standing up in their two hind legs. So, diba, pakita yan ni Uno ngayong hapon po. Pero wait lang, guys. Hintayin na muna natin si Uno makapunta sa kanyang mini stage. Alright, now, Uno, come here na, boy. Okay, mukhang magbibigay ka ngayon, Kuya Cyril, ah. Alright.
Para dapat na.
Joke lang, guys. Ayan na, Uno. Ayan na. Okay. Okay, ayan na. Ayan, dahan lang, boy, ha? Okay, once again, folks, medyo may pagka-shy tayo po kasi ito si Uno. Once again, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of is standing up in their two hind legs. At ipapakita yan ni Uno ngayong hapon po. And wait lang, folks. Okay. Alright. Ayan, medyo may titignan si Uno dyan, Kuya Cyril. Okay, baka pagkain yan. Alright, now, Uno, up na, boy. Ayan na, up. Okay, okay, wait lang talaga. Okay, medyo may nakikita si Uno daw dyan kasi. Alright. Wait lang natin saglit, folks. Okay, ayan na. Nakatutok kasi Kuya Cyril. Ayan na. Tatayo na. Alright, Uno. Wait lang. Oh, sige. Sige. Okay. O, palapakan daw natin pero tatayo si Uno. Up na, boy. Ulang lang daw ng palakpak. Okay. Ayan na, and there you go. And that is two hind legs in action po. Thank you so much, Uno. I know, folks. Fun fact pala about Palawan Bearcat. Their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, pero syempre wala natin silang napitan ha, baka makagat pa kayo, magka-issue pa tayo. Pero we promise you guys, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Omnivores po pala sila, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya Cyril, ano pinapakain po kayo, no? Pakita ko sa kanila, kuya. O, ano yan, folks? Saging or banana, which is fruit. Once again, omnivores sila ha. Na may tanong ulit ako sa inyo, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore, correct. How about carne or meat? Carnivores. How about herbs, grasses at karne? Omnivores. Perfect. Last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng fruits or prutas? Fruit salad. Sino nagsabi ng fruit salad? Ano, hindi fruit salad. Okay. O, sino nakakalam? Taas naman. Raise your hand. Sino nakakalam? Bibigyan lang ng jacket ni Kuya Cyril. Alam? Alam, wala? Assignment na lang? Okay, sige folks, tuturuan ko na lang kayo guys. Now folks, the correct answer is frugivore. Sige nga, nakikinig kayo. Ano yon? Ayan, frugivore. Ang hype na kumakain ng fruits or prutas. Hindi fudgibar, ha? Okay, hindi din fruit salad. Okay, perfect. Teddy is back home na. Alright, syempre. Uno as well. Okay, now Kuya Sai, let's proceed na. Okay, now guys, let's proceed na to our last animal ambassadors. Naku po, sa mga inaantok dyan, mawawala talaga yung antok nyo dito guys. Ito yung artistahin sa amin folks. Ang itinitilian at kinakikiligan ng ating kababaihan. The fan favorite na sina Piolo at si Daniel. Once again folks, Piolo at Piolo? Asan si Daniel, kuya?
Nawawala si Daniel.
Naghiwalay sila ni Catherine.
Naghiwalay sila ni Catherine Bernardo. Andun kay Andre.
Lobat.
Hindi ka nagsabi sa akin na mas maaga
Lobat.
para makapag-prepare ako sa kanila. Kuya Gucci, kanina pa ba?
Lobat siya.
Okay, folks, again, ulitin ko itong sabihin sa inyo guys ha. Once again, we are still working with wild animals, no? As much as want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior.